if it's recording.
And Darius is supposed to say
oh yeah. So we're making a video for our girlfriend, Monique Martinez.
Yeah. Love you.
Yeah, we love you, and we thought we'd make you guys a video so we don't get to spend as much time with you guys as we like. And I'm trying to explain my love to you, Momo, but I guess Sierra just couldn't even care, so this is
because it's just like